1955 Commander. People have a lot of problems taking off the steering wheel. Well, here's another problem. We took the steering wheel off. Not too bad, but after that, the whole column was locked, like locked, and it was kind of funky. And finally, it kind of broke free, and then I've been having this issue where the shaft pulls out after it's all fastened, and it pulls out about a quarter inch, half inch, which doesn't allow the turn switch cancellation to engage. So after many hours, I decided just to rip the whole shaft out through the firewall. Nice little cubby hole. But right here, there's a pin that goes through here. Goes through there, all the way through that. That was sheared off, and that was stuck in there. And it costed me about a week of tinkering around. So yeah, you take your steering wheel off and it locks. Studebaker Commander, 1955.